Hey grammar detectives! Today we're investigating two grammar lookalikes, demonstrative adjectives and demonstrative pronouns. They both use the exact same words, this, that, these, and those, but the way they function in a sentence is very different. First of all, let's make sure we understand what demonstratives are. They're the four words, this, that, these, and those. The word demonstrative means to be very clear about something, kind of like you're demonstrating something. So it makes sense that your demonstratives are this, that, these, and those, because those are words you would typically use when you're trying to demonstrate something clearly. So here are two sentences. This book is my favorite. And this is my favorite. In the first sentence, this is a demonstrative adjective. Why? Because it describes the noun book. It tells us which book we're talking about. Adjectives modify nouns, right? In the second sentence, this is a demonstrative pronoun. Why? Because in this case, the word this replaces a noun. We're not saying this book anymore. We're just saying this to replace the book. Take a look at these sentences. These cars are fast, and those planes are faster. In both sentences, these and those are demonstrative adjectives because they describe the nouns cars and planes. But if I said these are fast and those are faster, now we have demonstrative pronouns because these and those are not describing nouns, they are replacing them. So just remember the words this, that, these, and those are demonstratives. And if they're describing a noun, they're demonstrative adjectives. If they are replacing a noun, they're demonstrative pronouns. Got it? Bye for now.